Hi everyone. Today we're talking about worst cars in IIHS front crash prevention tests, and I can't wait to share all the details with you. Let's jump right in. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, is releasing a new round of ratings for updated front crash prevention test. This program was designed to address the most common front-to-rear crashes that occur with passenger cars and the more serious crashes involving a tractor-trailer or motorcycle that often result in fatalities. The original vehicle-to-vehicle front crash prevention test was run at 12 and 25 miles per hour, 20 and 40 kilometers per hour, with a passenger car target in the center of the travel lane. It was discontinued at the end of 2022, as all vehicles tested were earning the top rating of superior. The updated test includes trials run at 31, 37 and 43 miles per hour, 50, 60 and 70 kilometers per hour. In addition to a passenger car target, it examines performance with a motorcycle target and a semi-trailer. Vehicles are tested with the semi-trailer centered in the travel lane and with the car and motorcycle target centered and offset to one side. The trials using targets evaluate both the system's forward collision warning and automatic braking capabilities. If the test vehicle fails to achieve a minimum speed reduction at the slower test speeds, only the forward collision warning system is evaluated in the higher speed tests. Points are awarded for warnings that occur at least 2.1 seconds before the projected time of impact and for substantial speed reductions in the A/B tests. Speed reductions account for 2/3 and warnings account for 1/3 of the maximum possible score. How the vehicles performed. All the poor-rated vehicles hit the motorcycle target in the slowest, 31 miles per hour, test with the target centered. Some barely reduced speed or did not issue timely warnings. The poor-rated vehicles also struggled in the tests with the passenger car target. Most failed to slow enough in the 37 miles per hour test with a target centered to qualify for additional A/B testing. However, in most trials with the passenger car and semi-trailer, they delivered timely forward collision alerts. These results indicate that preventing crashes at higher speeds, especially collisions with motorcycles, remains a challenge for some systems. Motorcycles are a special area of concern because, unlike passenger vehicle occupants, riders have little protection from crash injuries. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.